Hey y'all, hi! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. My name is Mandy and today we're going to be taking a step back from our regular plus size fashion content to focus on some home decor obligations that frankly have been gnawing at my brain for a while now. I have been on a mission ever since we bought this house to make my bedroom look and feel more luxurious like the magazines, and no matter how hard I try, no matter how expensive or plush or delicious the comforter that I buy, it always ends up looking like a depressed, disappointing, flat looking pancake. But I have been watching a huge number of interior design TikToks and YouTube channels, and I'm thinking, fingers crossed, that we've cracked the code here. I mean, I did have to pull a couple of audibles because I don't have like luxury interior design money. So everything in this video is gonna be budget friendly and I'm really excited about it. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is what my bedroom looked like before. And if y'all been watching my channel for a while, this is gonna be nothing new. I used to film 100% of all of my try on haul content in this room, but I have a dog who also likes to destroy things. So I have rips and stains all over this blanket. And if you're wondering where it's from, I got it from UGG, from TJ Maxx, I wanna say like 6 or 7 months ago. So one thing is for sure, it has not held up to the doodle. My pillows are also just sad. They're lumpy and flat, and ain't nobody like a lumpy and flat pillow. And now finally, let's talk about the mattress protector because she's been through a lot. She's seen a lot in her day. She's tired, she's depressed. She's ready to move on to the afterlife, and we are gonna grant that for her. You know, in all honesty, this has been a wonderful mattress protector, and I would have bought it again had it on Amazon, but it's been discontinued, unfortunately. But she did her job, she did it well, and we're looking for like new vibes, new energy, new goals here. Mama's looking for a solid 8 hours, come on. So that is the baseline. We can only improve from here. It's like onwards and upwards. So every single thing that I've seen online from like luxury interior designers about creating that like floofy, luxurious and inviting bed starts with a pillow top mattress cover with built-in protector. So not only is it going to protect your bed from those unforeseen circumstances and accidents, but it's also going to add that girth and that downy appeal that we're looking for. So I picked up this one from Amazon and it had fantastic reviews and I got it on sale. It was right in my budget. So it was regularly priced $94. I got it 20% off. So I ended up spending $74. And if you're interested in it, of course, I'm gonna have all the links to every single thing mentioned in today's video down in the description box below. Okay, so now let's talk about some sheets because in my opinion, sheets are probably one of the most underrated elements that makes for a comfortable, cozy bed. And when I'm looking for sheets, I'm looking for breathable, I'm looking for airy, I'm looking for cooling, non-pilling, like sheets that I can just like slide in and ease out of without exfoliating my elbows. Is that too much to ask? I hope not. And I ultimately went with the same brand of sheets that is my mattress, and that is Sleep Number. And I'm telling y'all, I scoured the internet on the Sleep Number website reading reviews, on the Amazon website reading reviews, and any other website that sells Sleep Number products. And one thing I will say is the reviews are very consistent. Most people are talking about the durability, which is very important for me. No pilling, breathability, they're natural fibers. So these are made of 100% cotton. I think they're called the Essential Fit Cotton. Yes, Essential Fit Cotton. And these have a penchant for being very expensive, but I found them on sale for $50. And that was right up my alley. So now let's talk about the duvet, which I have to say, I didn't realize was so important when it comes to like building the infrastructure of your bedscape until recently when I was doing the research for today's video. And I came across a YouTube channel. It's called the DIY Mommies YouTube channel. And I just have to say, I instantly fell in love with her. She is amazing. It's like budget friendly and very easy to digest DIY content that also includes making your bed look beautiful. But she specifically suggested the Hearth and Hand 3-piece duvet from the Magnolia brand, which is a Chip and Joanne Gaines brand. Anyway, it's sold at Target. And she suggested it because it's not only made of a linen, but it's also made of a rayon, which adds texture, and texture is key. Texture is pinnacle. Now, I will say, like at first glance, it doesn't really look like much, but when you like fold it over twice at the head of the bed, it just creates this like beautiful depth. It's just so attractive. It's overflowing. It has this abundant look, which is exactly what we're going for. It's exactly what they have in the magazines. I am a little concerned with the mixed reviews on the Target website, not gonna lie. But by the time you're seeing this video, I'm gonna have like ample time to really test it out. And I'm gonna pin a comment down in the comment section down below and let you know the ins and outs, if it's a return, if it's a burn. I'm gonna let you know, like right now, I'm kind of flying by the seat of my pants. So to protect your bed from like pets or basically anything else that life has a tendency to throw at you, I like to layer like a decorative quilt or a blanket over everything. So I highly suggest something that's washable, that's stain resistant, but also reduces shrinkage, because nobody likes shrinkage, okay? This could be just a throw if you don't like all the extra layers, but I have a tendency to like both. I just think that it's a great way to incorporate extra color or create a statement with fun patterns. You can even use it for like festive season, for seasonal decor, for example, or you can like tie in different tones and textures from your accent pillows. So I went with this Alaskan King coverlet from Amazon for the added texture, but I also wanted something that was gonna like cascade off the edges of the bed. And this sucker is 130 inches by 120 inches, so it's definitely not for the faint of heart, but it brings the drama and it brings the decadence, which is exactly what I was looking for. So as I mentioned earlier, I had Walmart pillows, which I didn't realize until recently were kind of expensive for very subpar pillows. Like I spent $13 or $14 on some never flat pillows that I never laid on and somehow are lumpy and flat. Go figure. But baby, we got an upgrade because I found these gorgeous 100% cotton pillows from Stearns and Foster that were $24.99 for a pack of 2 and much cheaper than Walmart and way better quality, like whoa mama. But stacking king size pillows or Euro pillows about 3 deep is gonna create the depth, it's gonna create the height for making one enticing bed that you just wanna crawl up into. So in case you missed it, this was the before with my torn up blankets and my lumpy pillows. And now this is the after. And I am so happy with the way that it turned out. I still stayed with like the whole like neutral color family because it's clean and cozy in my opinion. But best of all, it looks like a magazine, which is exactly what I set out to do. All right, y'all, that is going to do it for this bed, magazine, luxury, interior design makeover. I hope y'all found this video helpful, enjoyable, and a little bit entertaining. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of ya. Please stay safe and stay healthy in this wild, crazy, weird world that we're living in. And I'm going to be seeing y'all very, very soon. Bye.